Okay, cousin, we're going to make this hair conditioner, and it's very versatile. That's my water I'm drinking. So I have one egg here. I'm going to, if I can open it, the plastic is, okay, I didn't know which way it was going. So I have one egg. Make sure you use organic products, you guys. There's no point if you're not using organic. Okay, so I put one egg in there. This is my apple cider vinegar. I use Bragg's organic apple cider vinegars right here. And it's going to get a little noisy because I'm going to blend this a little bit. Okay, so just to let you guys know everything that I have, because this is going to go real quick. So I put the vinegar in the egg to help emulsify it. This here is a paste that I made using fenugreek, shave grass, which is horsetail, henna, the kind that don't dye your hair, brinraj, amla berry, and I have these essential oils. Now I put the lavender in and I stuck it into my oil, and I have a little tablespoon of water. So that's what's going to go into this mixture. This is going to be a hair mayonnaise, so we're going to start off by making the mayo. Now the reason why I'm using this size bowl is because once I put the water and stuff in, well, it's just a little water. Once I get the oil in here, I just wanted to make sure I had enough room. So let me get this to stay to the side without me having to hold it. There we go. That'll be a lot better. So as you can see, there you go, that's the mayonnaise. And this is actually real mayo. I just made it thinner because it's for here. But it's actually real mayo that you can use to make sandwiches or whatever you make with your mayo, chicken salad, whatever. So at this point, I am going to add my splash of water. That thinned it out for me. Next goes these herbs. Yes, it's going to turn upside down. Now the herbs, we let them bloom overnight. But you only need about 4 hours. You just put hot water, mix it, cover it, and set it to the side. Okay? And I'm going to take every bit of this, so. Okay. So we're going to blend that in. Okay, you guys, let's get this out the way. I don't know if I told you guys, but this was a 1/4 cup of avocado oil. You can use any organic oil that you like. I use olive oil when I want it to be like a deep conditioning pack. And I also just use 1/2 cup versus the 3/4 cup. So here you go. This is your hair mayo. You can stick it in the Frigidaire for a little while, or you can use it right away. I like to use it right away unless it's like a deep conditioning pack. Then I just let it sit a little while longer to infuse together. But this is actually a wonderful herbal hair mayonnaise. Also, you guys, if you don't have the herbs, you could just take an avocado and blend it in to get the benefits of the avocado. You could use just moringa. Moringa hair conditioner is awesome. I like to use moringa for leave-in, like a hair cream. So I'll do a recipe on that later. Anyway, you guys, I do sell this little pack. What I used for this was a tablespoon. This here is an ounce. So you got about 3 or 4 tablespoons in here to make your mix. Anyway, you guys, I hope this helps. I hope you guys make the hair mayonnaise. I do have Xavier's here to do today, so that's what I'm going to do. Talk to you later. Let me know if you make the mix, and let me know how you like it. Bye-bye.